We're playing Minesweeper, and it gets a little chaotic. So if you enjoy the video, enjoy it. I don't really care. Onwards to the video. Mark. Hello, buddy.
Morning.
Morning. This is Minesweeper, right?
No. Let me go first. The unicorn is unlucky.
Watch this, then. See? Oh my god. Where did he die? I will redo this. Okay, Mark. Right.
Now let me go. I saw you step on that mine. Well, I'm about to step on mine,
but
and
you
I
died.
knew I was
You
done.
died.
I died. Yeah, I did die. I know.
Step on it. Oh, shoot. That's a lot of space. Mark. Grab a flag. Mark, grab a flag.
There is this round.
We're trying to do this seriously. Mark.
Yeah.
It.
Right here.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. So, the only way to get more information. Oh, I almost stepped on that.
Yeah. And then over here. It'd be these two. Mark. Buddy. Budster. Come here.
I was turning up my volume.
It'd be this one. Right here. It'd be this one. Okay, so let's look at the map. That corner. There's a corner one. I got it.
Wait.
There's a corner one.
The only way to find out is to step on it.
No, it's not. Oh wait, that one's safe because it's one. And then this one.
Wait, that means that one's the flag.
Yeah. Mark.
In which this case, this one's safe.
Hold up, I'm placing one.
In which this case, this one's safe.
I'm gonna hear an explosion in the distance, trust. This one's also a bomb.
Right here, Matthew. Right here.
1 second.
This one. This one's the bomb. No, not that one.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you got that.
This one.
No, I don't like the dark. The dark is scary.
We know from previous videos we know.
This one's a bomb. This one should be safe. Yeah, and then this one should be safe.
That one's safe too.
And then
that means this one. That means these two are safe.
Yeah, these two. So 3. So it'd be that one. So wait, hypothetically speaking, it's these two. Oh yes. Wait, no, this one's safe. Yeah, and then it's this one.
You should give the crap out of me there. So yes, and that means.
I'll go grab a flag.
In this case.
Yeah, I thought you stepped on it.
I did.
The other one. So wait, hold up.
So wait, now
that means this one's safe and that one's safe. See?
Okay. Now we take a gamble here. Am I
well,
giving sacrifice?
No. Because look, 2.
I'm looking at my.
This one's 3. This one's 1. It's not this one.
Great job on the field. A helicopter will arrive shortly to pick you up.
Gotta put the flag. We love flags, people.
I could actually make a pretty good weapon. Or like
The
a
what?
javelin. You just
What would? That flag? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. I mean, it can go
javelin
in the
throw it at
sand
somebody.
like this. I mean,
What?
can I step on it?
It's kind of dark outside.
Hi. Where's the Apache helicopter that's making all that ruckus?
Right over there.
I hope you know I can't see.
Over there.
Again, I can't
In the
see.
sky.
Well, that was fun. Well, if you like that, please subscribe and like. I don't really care, actually. Do whatever it pleases you. Have a great day.